Mr. M.D. Khera to please occupy the dais.
I would like to request Professor S. Kadam to kindly welcome Mr. M.C. Khera with a bouquet. Thank you, sir. May we now call upon Mr. Abhishek Khare, Student Manager, Balaji Institute of Telecom and Management, to introduce Mr. M.K. Khera.
A very good afternoon to all of you. It's my honor to introduce you all to the man of distinction, Sir Mr. M.K. Khera, Founder Director, KTMT Consulting Private Limited. Sir is an MBA in Marketing from Madurai Kamraj University, ME in Computers from IISc Bangalore, BE in Electronics and Telecom from JNU. Sir worked with M. Scott Consulting US, Reliance Communications, Siemens, Reliance Infocom, Globacom Limited, Nigeria, Tata Teleservices Limited, Group Usha. Sir also served in Indian Army in various important roles. His areas of expertise are new businesses like multiplay, infrastructure and DPN. Apart from this, Sir is the founder of Army Value Added Network, Defense Communications, Network Concept, Launching Mobile Cyber, kiosk, Network and Task, Operations Center and TOC. Now, I request Sir to enlighten us with his words. Sir, the podium is waiting for you.
I request all of you to please maintain the decorum of the auditorium. Friends, and let me thank the authorities over here for giving me this opportunity to come and share my experiences with all of you, and I'm really delighted to be here. Before I actually go around speaking on the topic, I would like to just say a few words and inform you all as to what is happening on the biggest question of national broadband network as far as India is concerned. Many of you would have known that TRAI came out with the consultation paper on National Broadband Network Plan sometimes in June 2010. And they went through the process. We were an active participant in that process of giving our recommendations. And finally, on the 8th of December last year, they submitted their recommendations to the DOT, and that's how the National Broadband Network is still, being considered a national broadband network as to how this should be rolled out. You would have actually come to know that DOT has almost finalized. They would be putting up this National Broadband Network Plan to the Cabinet by the end of this month. It's a 20,000 crores project being overseen by the Honorable Sam Pitroda in conjunction with Nandan Nilekani, wherein the government will take up on its own taking fiber to 250,000 village panchayats. That is the essence of the National Broadband Network. Actually, they have named it as NOFN, National Optical Fiber Network. Well, whatever way it has come, so it's a good thing to happen that. That is about the National Broadband Network, the way government feels it should come. But I would also like to share our experiences with you, what has happened in last, say since 1994 when the telecom was thrown open and the operators won licenses in the form of CMSPs, UASLs and BSOs, and as part of their rollout, how many really have ventured into rolling out super speed, super capacity access networks? It's a very dismal performance except for BSNL and MTNL, which had a legacy copper which they tried to bring it out to DSL, and Bharti has done some 4-5 million of capacity of DSL lines. Nobody else has been able to do. So as a result, what is happening? While wireless has progressed, and as we'll see our slide later, when the data explosion takes place, these wireless networks will need a solid offload of data traffic through what means? Through the means of Wi-Fi spots, through the means of femtocells, through the means of